This is one of the finest place to stay in Omole Phase 1. And the price of houses here are way expensive, but this price will shock you. A 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a BQ. Now, this is the master bedroom. Let's start with the master bedroom. You see how spacious this master bedroom is. Very spacious, very big. This camera is not even doing justice to this master bedroom. This house will be completed in the next 3 to 4 weeks time. Yes, this house is very spacious. Normally houses here sells for 750 million, but don't be scared, this house is way cheaper than that. Yes, I mean, look at the environment. This we have 3 units here, so that's the reason why you are seeing the places they've not been tired. The ones that are tired, you can see that the estate is very fine. See, I mean, people are already moved in the other houses and they look very nice. This is Omole Phase 1. Yes, Omole Phase 1. We have 3 units of fully detached selling. You to your own compound and you to yourself in Omole Phase 1. Now let's start this video. So this is the entrance. Work is ongoing. That is the reason why you see a lot of sand and work area still on site. Workers still on site rather, sorry. So this is the fully detached. This space can take 4 cars to 5 cars conveniently. Yes. So don't look at the roughness of this house. Picture this house when it's finished. Picture this house when it's done. I am telling you that this house is going to be very beautiful. Yes, very, very beautiful. This is the ante room. Yes, ante room, like the welcome center. Then you can see it's spacious. The developer, the builder, they didn't minimize space when it comes to this house. It's a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex, 1 floor. Yes, if you must know, it's 1 floor building. Yes, that's the toilet. This is the living room area. Spacious. I mean, what else are you looking for in this life if you are not buying this house? Spacious. Very, very spacious. The living room area is spacious. So let's see other rooms. As you can see, there's enough ventilation, natural light. They've not even painted the house to illuminate the house. You know, colors illuminate houses. The house has not been painted. They are still working on it. They are still trying to finish it. This is the best time to even buy a house. You look at the foundation, you look at how the house, the procedure, what is happening in the house. It shows that this house is a strong, solid house. Yes, it is. It is a strong house. Natural light, good ventilation, nice space, nice living area. See, look at the passage from here to the sitting room, from here to the visitor's room. This is the visitor's room. You see what I'm saying? Everywhere is looking bright. No light though. They've not painted the house. They are still working, and this house is looking like this. This house is looking like this. This is the visitor's toilet, where the visitor will do pum pum, peeping, pum pum, peeping. So let's continue. See the finishing. They've not finished it. I mean, this stage of finishing, it shows that, see the staircase, seamless to climb. It is not high. You will not start climbing and start holding your waist, even when you are 40, even when you are, what am I saying? Even when you are 80, 100, you climb the stairs. Look at the family lounge, spacious. What else are you looking for in this life? This family lounge is very spacious. Yes, it is. See the rooms. The rooms are spacious. Natural light. No place is dark. You cannot tell me that this room is dark because this room has not been painted. No lights. Nothing. You know, the paint will bring out the beauty. Will make the place look bright. No lights yet. Just natural light. See the toilets. Everything is coming up. So the house will be ready anytime from now. If you are interested in this house, give me a call. This house is selling a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in Omole Phase 1 with a BQ. It's selling for a good price. If you ask me, I'll tell you it's a good price for instead of 750, it's selling for 500 million. Instead of 750, it's selling for 500 million. The owner tried. The owner is just trying to say he has a lot of projects. That's why he wants to sell it. Because when we came to this house to do inspection, to check the houses, we're thinking the owner would call normal Omole price 600, 700. He said he's selling for 500. We were like, wow, this is a good buy. If you have the money, you are looking for a house, please come and take this. Yes. Somebody can just call. Nigerians, we have money. Somebody can just buy the 3 units and resell for you people for 750. Yes, we are like that. We are the Nigerians we know. So you see how spacious this house is. Very spacious. I've shown you the master bedroom already. You've seen the master bedroom. It's very big. The rooms are big. All the rooms are big and it's on one floor. The house is on one floor. One floor, one floor, one floor. See the rooms. I can't even count the rooms. There are just many. There are many. There are many. See the master bedroom again. Very nice. Very fine. If you want this house, give us a call. It's selling for 500 million instead of 750 million. This is your best bet. This is your best bet. The title of this house, everything is complete. CFO, building approval, good drainage system, good road network, in Omole Phase 1, in one of the best location. The road is tarred. The houses are nice here. Nice neighborhood where you would love to stay, where you would love to train your children. Yes, we have houses in other locations. We have in on the mainland, we have on the island. Anywhere you think of that you want to buy a property, just let us know. We'll take you there so you can check your property. You can check what you want to buy. Give us a call. Let us bring you here. And thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Tell us what you think about this house. Thank you for your likes and comments. Thank you so much.